In this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone's calendar in New Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top left and click on the calendar button, and then from here you want to click on add the calendar over here. Now when you do this, you have a bunch of options. You could go and upload it from file. You could also see a library over here, so if you do, you should be able to add it from there. Or the easiest way is going to be to click on subscribe from web, and this is always going to work for you. So from here, somebody, of course, the one you want to get calendar from. So if you want to get from somebody you know, for example, has to give you their link to their calendar. Now it's going to be different for a bunch of different apps, but usually it looks like this. I'm going to use my Google Calendar over here, and you want to go to my calendars, click on the three dots, and then click on settings and sharing. You basically want to get this link down here where it says get shareable link. I'm also going to make it available for public right now, and I'm going to click on get shareable link, and there we go. I'm now going to copy it. Now when you do that, you can of course go and paste it in here, and then when you paste it in here, you can then go ahead and customize it. So you can give it a name. I'm going to name this one sample. You can also give it a color, a charm, etc., and then you can just select where you want to add it, click on the import button, and it's going to import your calendar. Now I actually didn't give myself correct permissions there, but of course if I did, I'd be able to do that just like this, or of course I'd be able to go ahead and upload it from a file if I have like an export. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.